As the Dean of the College of Science and Mathematics, I have the honor to present to you 164 candidates for graduation. 2 for the Master of Science in Teaching Biology. 2 for the Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics Education. 1 for the Master of Arts in Science Education. 71 for the
rights and privileges, as well as the duties and responsibilities appertaining thereto.
Degree, where he was hailed twice as one of the outstanding alumni. After completing his education, he embarked on a career dedicated to serving the public interest. He was one of the pioneer mediators trained by the Philippine Judicial Academy, showcasing his commitment to alternative dispute resolution. In May 2002, he began his tenure within the Office of the Solicitor General as Associate Solicitor 2, demonstrating his early dedication to upholding the law and protecting the interests of the Republic.
At higit sa lahat, to the parents, saludo po ako and mabuhay po kayo. I am James B. Kundangan from Bulacan, and I'm proud to be here in Zamboanga. First of all, graduation is a new chapter. You will end a chapter of your life and you will begin another one. And there are a lot of doubts. When I give my commencements,
Raiko Jan Balatbat, Zamboanga City. Danica M. C. Balatenya, Zamboanga City, cum laude. Cristina Marie D. Valera, Zamboanga City. Jem E. Rafos, Zamboanga City, magna cum laude. Cristiana J. M. Razonable, Isabela City, Basilan. Ana May Revilla, Zamboanga City, cum laude. Joanne B. Reyes, Zamboanga City, cum laude. Lindilei Rivera, Zamboanga City. Rhea May A. Rosal, Zamboanga City, magna cum laude. Sharimar B. Saak, Zamboanga City. Erica Marie D. Saavedra, Zamboanga City, cum laude.
Use it for the good of others as a sacred duty.
And use it for the good of others as a sacred duty.
To act according to the best tradition.
To act according to the best traditions.
And the highest ideals of my profession.
And the highest ideals of my profession.
To lead a life that is worthy of emulation of the youth.
To lead a life that is worthy of emulation of the youth.
And to contribute in every way for the betterment of society.
And to contribute in every way for the betterment of society.
as an enlightened and responsible citizen. I hereby impose upon myself the solemn duty to always act as an instrument of good against evil. To live an upright and honorable life.
Moral and spiritual levels. That I shall help my fellow men in all ways. Never to do them injustice. Nor to ever let injustice be done unto them. I impose this obligation upon myself. Voluntarily and without purpose of personal gain. My congratulations to each and every one.
Babay man yan.
Yun po ta, nasunog na ta.
Paganaw, bagus kuti. Alok, puro manitabi. Gawin mo niya. Pangangabit siya. Walang pakialam.
Baby talaga yan siya.
Wala, Tab. Anong nangyari sa'yo, Tab?
Ako na maingay.
Ang kamay. Ano yan? Bading. Ang puro
Badingan siya.
manitabi. Ano yan, Tabs? Tabi! Ano na, grabe. No earth talaga. Ano, tumasik na namatay.
Oh! Naka-open yung mouth niya. Hindi na niya maglabas.
Tapos sa kabika. Ang kamay, tingnan mo, bali.
Siguro, yung past life niya siguro tao yan siya.
Tingnan mo yung kamay niya.
Bading yan.
Tabs, tulog ka ba, Tabs? O binangungot ka na dyan? Kanina pa yan, o. Walang imig. Tabs! Tabi! Tabebe! Tabingbing. Tabingbing. Uy. Buhay ka pa? Grabe. Ala, ang dila ni lumabas talaga, oh.
Mukong samok-samokon.
Walang effect.
Ito, matulog.
Walang effect.
Gusto niya nila.
Patay. Aso lang pala magkapagising sa'yo.
Habang salamin ang nadadaan.
Ay, ganun doon.
Kanyang tunay na pagtingin. Mahiwagang salamin ang nadadaan. Salamin sa tingin na silang pag-ibig. Salamin sa tingin sa pag-ibig. Sama na, uy! Bakit man yun magaling-ganon? Cute-cute pa dyan ang baby na yan.
Lutang pa siya.
Di bago pa yan siya. Ay.
Nay, naantok. Ano ba yan, Tabs? Kanina ka patanghali, tulog na tulog. Ha? Tapos mamaya, ma-hyper ka na naman.
Exercise to yan.
Dalawang butiki na naman mapatay mo.